So very good morning to everyone. My name is Pratik Mohan Sahai and a new day, new topic from MHA 704. So today's topic is maintenance management. So let's start. This is a scope. So the objective for today's session will be, after the end of this session, you will be able to understand the importance of maintenance management, identify and describe different types of maintenance, understand the concept of maintenance planning and scheduling. You will able to understand what the terms repair, upkeep and best maintenance practices. At last you will understand the computer aided maintenance, computer based maintenance basically. So before starting with the introduction, let me ask you a question. What do you understand by the term maintenance?
To check or upkeep the any items or machines or equipments.
Yes. So can anyone can give मतलब एक एक words में कुछ बताना तो
मेंटेन
सर्विस करना
सर्विस और क्या हो सकता है upkeep
रिपेयरिंग
repairing
एंड मेनी मोर
safeguarding,
safeguarding
preservation,
what
preserve करना,
preservation yes sorry
आराम से वाइड नीचे कर
प्रतीक स्पेलिंग जो
care करना, care,
yes care
Yes.
also. So all these terminologies are a part of maintenance. So starting with the introduction, maintenance refers to the process of planning, procuring, storing and controlling the materials or spare parts necessary to keep equipments, machinery and facilities in good working order. So basically maintenance means keeping all the equipment and machinery and facilities in good working quality. And in hotels it includes from basic spare parts to big equipments like air conditioning, elevator, lifts and all, plumbing and electrical fittings and all comes on the part of maintenance. The basic aim of maintenance is to provide safety, reduce the breakdowns, save energies as well as increase the lifespan of the equipments. It ensures that all assets, facilities and equipments are in good working condition as I mentioned. It plays a vital role in smooth operations of industry and services. And last importance is it reduces breakdown, improves safety of both guests and employees. It lowers the cost and extends the equipment's life. So talking about the objectives of the maintenance. These are the objectives: to ensure operational efficiency, means to prevent sudden breakdowns and sudden failures of the equipments. So if you do regularly service of the equipments, there will be less chance of breakdowns and failure in future. To minimize the breakdown and downtime, if you suffer from breakdowns or machinery failures, so it will lead to increase the मतलब उसको फिर आप यूज नहीं कर पाओगे बहुत सारे. It will lead to create dissatisfaction in the guest as well as it will increase the time to maintain it. It increases the equipment lifespan. Regular maintenance will also increase the life of the equipments and to ensure safety of the people, property and provide a safe working environment. So the types of maintenance. So basically there are three types of maintenance. breakdown maintenance, preventive maintenance, and predictive maintenance. So can anyone please, would you like to share something about these three terminologies? Anyone? No? So basically breakdown maintenance means the maintenance practice we follow once there we issue we face breakdown, मतलब already आप breakdown हो चुका है, then we take actions. So we can say actions carried out after breakdown.
प्रिवेंटिव तो वो हो गया कि रेगुलर चेक्स वगैरह करते रहना टू प्रिवेंट.
Yes. मतलब पहले से यू चेक कि हाँ इसका सर्विसिंग टाइम आने वाला है, सो that come under preventive. So basically we can say predictive, मतलब taking preventive measures before we face any breakdown. And last is predictive.
प्रिडिक्टिव होता है जैसे नाम तो सजेस्ट कर रहा कि डेटा से प्रिडिक्ट करना कि आगे कुछ प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं आ
Yes.
जाएगी.
In this we can say मतलब मशीन्स में कुछ वाइब्रेशन इफेक्ट हो सकता है, या फिर देख सकते हैं कि अगर मशीन ज़्यादा हीट कर रही है तो उससे हम पता लगा सकते हैं कि हाँ इसको आप रिपेयर करने का या मेंटेन करने का टाइम आ सकता है. तो ये डाटा ड्रिवन. और वी कैन से वाइब्रेशन कंप्रेसर उससे. So these are the basically main three types of maintenance. We will see in detail about each. So first one is breakdown maintenance. So maintenance performed after the equipment failures or after any breakdown. It is a reactive approach, means जब कुछ मतलब breakdown होगा उसके बाद ही आप ये carried out करेंगे. It leads to unexpected downtime and higher repair cost, क्योंकि you don't know when it will going to break down. So अगर कुछ ऐसा पार्ट है जो अचानक से टूट गया और उसको आपको खरीदने के पास मतलब इतनी जल्दी अवेलेबल नहीं है तो हो सकता है इट विल कॉस्ट हायर टू यू फॉर मेंटेनिंग इट. एग्जांपल, अ होटल एलिवेटर स्टॉप्स वर्किंग सडनली एंड टेक्नीशियंस आर कॉल्ड टू रिपेयर इट. सो वी हैव आउटसोर्स फैसिलिटीज फॉर इक्विपमेंट मेंटेनेंस. अगर सडनली अगर कुछ ऐसा होता है तो आपको ऑन द स्पॉट कॉल करना पड़ता है. And this will lead to, yes, also follows like पहले तो उनको बुलाने का कॉस्ट बढ़ेगा एंड देन गैस में सेटिस्फेक्शन लेवल कम हो जाएगा क्योंकि अचानक से, और ऑल्सो ऑपरेशंस में भी अफेक्ट करेगा. Then second comes the preventive maintenance, as we have also discussed now. So maintenance is carried out on regular basis or scheduled to avoid any sudden failures. So it includes like inspection of the equipments, ensuring that each equipments are working in good condition or not, and replacement before it's any breakdown take place. So it also increases the lifespan of the equipment, reduces the emergency repairs ऐसी situations में. Example as I have given, air conditioning in hotels are serviced every 6 months to ensure smooth cooling during peak summer seasons. And the last is predictive maintenance, as Akansha has told us कि data driven होता है. We can predict that something is going to happen by the like अगर कंप्रेसर एसी का उसको अगर छू रही है तो अगर हीट ज़्यादा कर रहा है मीन्स इट मे नीड रिक्वायर. कोई मशीन है उस पर वाइब्रेशन फील कर रहे हैं तो हो सकता है इट नीड्स टू बी गेट मेंटेन. सो यस, दैट्स प्रेडिक्टिव मेंटेनेंस. Data uses data, sensors and monitoring tool to predict when a machine is likely to fail. It helps in planning repair and minimize downtime and cost. So it is more advanced version than preventive. Examples: washing machine fitted with sensors give alerts when the motor shows abnormal vibrations, and I have also mentioned about vibrations, indicating that it's about upcoming failures. So next is maintenance and planning schedule. So basically in this we are talking about when do we have to schedule maintenance. So it is a systematic plan, carry out maintenance tasks and regular intervals to ensure smooth functions and minimize breakdown. Uh, so we plan maintenance in hotels. During we do maintenance practice at night just to reduce the noise and all. So key elements we have to plan first. When do we have to, like, deciding where do we need maintenance, on what equipment do we need to repair and all. Scheduling means fixing dates, timelines, and giving responsibilities to whom you have to repair and what to repair. Execution, another part. You have to perform maintenance as per the planned schedule. And last, monitoring. Monitoring means reviewing the task performed and checking that equipments are working properly after the maintenance or not. So types, we also have types, daily and weekly routine checks. These are the basically daily operations like cleaning, lubricating the doors and other things. Monthly and quarterly preventive maintenance, like do it monthly or quarterly basis, like changing the filters, changing the curtains may also come under this. And inspection, of course. And last is annual, like we do it annually, like major बड़े equipments होते हैं उसकी servicing and all comes under annually. Benefits is also reduces unexpected breakdowns, increases the, basically aim सबका equipment maintenance का है कि life expand होगी उसकी, increases equipment and ensures safety of the employees as well as the guest, saves long term cost after the maintenance. Now you have told about some words, upkeep, repair and maintenance. So क्या है ये तीन चीज बताता हूँ. Repair means actions taken after the fault or breakdown occurs. Example, fixing leaking taps or replacing the broken switch, changing the fuse from the bulb, it comes under repair. Upkeep is little different. Upkeep means taking proper care and maintenance of your object, your equipment, like cleaning the floors, polishing the glasswares, gardening, etc. comes under upkeep, means proper care and maintenance of the object. And last is maintenance. It is a planned actions to prevent any future failures and as well as to increase the life of the object. Servicing HVAC system. Acha, do you know what is the full form of HVAC?
Heating, ventilated.
Anyone you would like to try? HVAC. Heating and ventilating air conditioning.
वही बोला था उसने.
उसके आगे उसने
Air conditioning.
ठीक है, that is right. So what is the importance of these three terms? Ensure smooth operations, enhance the gas. तो सब में same ही है वो. What is the main aim for the maintenance is to provide smooth operations, enhance gas service satisfaction, safety, and reduce the additional repairing cost, and improves the asset life. So now we'll talk about best maintenance practice that we should follow in every organization as well as in hotels. Regular inspections, preventive all these type of maintenance, preventive, breakdown and predictive maintenance. You should follow standard operating procedures for any kind of maintenance work. Should train the staff regarding the maintenance. Proper documentation should be followed for each and every task. Safety is very important for guests as well as for employees. Use of general spare parts. ये नहीं कि आप किसी का पार्ट किसी में भी यूज कर सकते हैं, तो ऐसा नहीं करना है. energy efficiency check that everything is working correctly or not. Feedback and continuous improvement, take proper feedback from guests, employees, that and ensure that everything is working in good condition or not. So now we will talk about computer aided maintenance, or we also call it CMMS, means computer aided maintenance system. So previously everything was done manually, सब चीज़ का मैनुअली रिकॉर्ड बनता था. सो बहुत सारा पेपर वर्क हो जाता था उस चक्कर में. टू रिड्यूस विद ग्रोइंग ट्रेंड्स, टेक्नोलॉजी अपग्रेड्स, every organization introduced computer management aided management systems. So what is it? We will see. It is a management system used for managing maintenance operations. In hotels we have Opera, उसी में आजकल सब चीज़ अवेलेबल है. So the main purpose is to minimize to optimize maintenance activities, improve equipment reliability and reduce the time. चूँकि पहले बहुत सारे पेपर वर्क्स होते थे, हर चीज़ को मेंटेन करने के लिए बहुत टाइम लगता था. आजकल इसमें हर चीज़ ऑलरेडी डाटा एंटर करते हैं, एवरी टाइम वो अवेलेबल रहता है. Benefits: increase efficiency, reduces the downtime and saves the cost. What are the features now? So it creates assign and task maintenance task, work order management. It tracks equipment details, history and performance. So manages a spare parts inventory, मतलब inventory system भी रहता है for maintenance. Schedule, we can create and plan the schedule for the maintenance work. And report generation, it also generates reports, bills and etc. regarding maintenance. And now it's time for an activity, a small group activity. So basically we will divide the whole class into 3 groups. 3 का ग्रुप, आखिरी में 4 बचेंगे. तो what you have to do, जो मैंने 3 टाइप्स ऑफ मेंटेनेंस बताया अभी, ब्रेकडाउन, प्रिवेंटिव एंड प्रेडिक्टिव मेंटेनेंस. You have 5 minutes time to decide among yourselves and you have to present the real life examples related to hospitality industry. Okay? And anyone have to tell to everyone. Time is 1 to 2 minutes only.
Can you please divide it? Like कौन breakdown करेगा और कौन?
ग्रुप्स में डिवाइड कर.
Groups, group वे, मतलब 1 2
हाँ
3.
वो ग्रुप में हम बोले डिवाइड.
ग्रुप बी,
हाँ वही वहाँ भी की भाषा
1 2 3 4 5 6.
थैंक यू.
हम 4 एक ग्रुप और एक
4 एक ग्रुप, 3 एक ग्रुप बी.
और कुछ ही बदलवा लें.
सो ग्रुप ए है का है ब्रेकडाउन मेंटेनेंस, ग्रुप बी है प्रिवेंटिव मेंटेनेंस एंड ग्रुप सी प्रेडिक्टिव मेंटेनेंस. एक रियल लाइफ एग्जांपल फ्रॉम हॉस्पिटैलिटी इंडस्ट्री. यू हैव टू शेयर एनी वन मेंटेनेंस प्रैक्टिस और 5 minutes time, then we will start.
क्या है आपकी?
That's okay.
I also want.
Breakdown. किचन में काम
बताना है ना, सिर्फ एक केस बताना
हाँ
है.
एक केस बताना है, एग्जांपल देना है एक्चुअली. ब्रेकडाउन का एग्जांपल, प्रिवेंटिव का एग्जांपल, प्रिवेंटिव का एग्जांपल.
Breakdown.
Yes, we are in hospitality industry, so you can take airlines as well if it's a part of hospitality industry, restaurant, aviation.
अपना ही ग्रुप में कोरा वाली
जिसमें अच्छा ये बोल रही है.
ब्रेकडाउन रहता है ना वेस्ट उन्होंने दिया
Breakdown, preventive, productive.
ये किसका ग्रुप है? अच्छा हम यहाँ पे लोग. ठीक है.
एग्जाम्पल डालो क्या लिखें
हाँ मैं लिखूंगा, तुम बताओ क्या लिखूंगा?
आसान दे दी
कह सकते हैं उसी
गाड़ी के नाम पे
एग्जांपल दे इसको
एक ही तो लिख रहा हूँ।
हॉस्पिटैलिटी लेना है, इंग्लिश में बोल रहे हो फिर वो उसमें वो क्लीनिंग आ गई।
So we can start now. Excuse me everyone. Please, we can start. So group A, starting with group A, breakdown examples.
So as we can see that breakdown maintenance क्या होता है, action carried out after failure. तो पहले failure हो जाता है, then हम action लेते हैं. So for example in hotel we can take the example of kitchen department. Rational combi oven होता है, तो it suddenly stopped working and there is something inside it is broken. So it also can be only repaired by the special team which company.
मेंटेनेंस टीम
Yeah. So no, hotel maintenance team cannot repair it, and the company people have to come and then repair and change the parts which are being broken. So due to this, the action which was being carried out by the kitchen department, it has been hampered. So this is breakdown maintenance.
Okay, very nice. Moving to team B, preventive maintenance.
तो प्रिवेंटिव में हम ये देख सकते हैं जैसे कि किचन इक्विपमेंट्स का एग्जांपल लेंगे, रेफ्रिजरेटर्स फ्रीजर्स जो भी होते हैं उनको मतलब कोई उसमें खराबी ना हो इसके लिए हम उसको प्रिवेंट करते हैं, मतलब उसको चेक करते हैं उसको और रिपेयर करते हैं, रूटीन चेकअप्स होते हैं, उनका रिकॉर्ड्स बनाते हैं कि इनका टेम्परेचर्स को देखते हैं, मतलब उसका भी रिकॉर्ड्स बनाते हैं कि कहीं वो ख़राब तो नहीं हो रहा है, और ये वीकली डेली इस बेसिस पे ये किया जाता है.
और जो भी कुकिंग अप्लायंसेस जैसे माइक्रोवेव हो गया और बाकी जो बर्नर्स हो गए उसको डे टू डे क्लीन करते हो लोग, और जैसे हॉट क्या बोलते हैं उसको, हॉट प्लेट
So don't you think that is the preventive maintenance?
yes
Yes.
preventive
Preventive.
sir.
There was preventive.
Preventive only.
Yes.
Okay. Moving to last team C, predictive maintenance.
We have taken example for elevators.
Elevators.
Elevators use sensors to sense like motor load capacity and also some vibrations issues they have. They stop working or they automatically give alarm systems.
Okay. So a huge round of applause for everyone for participating in the activity. Thank you so much. So coming towards the end of the unit, conclusion. So maintenance management ensures reliability, safety and cost effectiveness. Proactive approaches saves time as well as money. And computer aided tools are the future of efficient maintenance practices. These are the sources. Thank you.